Hello, creative people! Welcome to my channel. What I'm showing you right now is this wooden macrame heart hoop. I got this from a local craft store that makes personalized cutout names and signs. Using this heart hoop, I will make a nice wall hanging, which I will share with you in a moment. Please check out the description down below to see the list of materials I use in this project. This wall hanging has 24 by 12 inches dimension. Okay, so I hang the heart hoop to keep it in place. By the way, you can also use a circular hoop for this project. Or if you want to be more creative, try it on a stick or driftwood. I started by adding this 19 lark's head knot using a 5 mm single strand cord with pastel purple color. Each cord size is about 205 centimeter. Now, what I'm about to do is to make a double half hitch knots using 18 cords on each side, following the V shape. Personally, for me, it's a bit challenging to work with single strand cord just because they tend to lose easily. So, my suggestion and what I usually do is to put masking tape at the end of the cords, or you can also tie them up. Okay, I'm done making the double half hitch knots on each side. Now I'm going to lock the center by making another double half hitch knot. Now I'm going to add another row of double half hitch knots by leaving two cords on each side. I will lock the center again with double half hitch knot. I will repeat these three steps in the next 6 rows. Again, the first step is to leave two cords each side before starting with double half hitch knot, and then lock the center after each row. I finished all 8 rows of double half hitch knots on each side. Now I'm going to make the last row to complete the design. I will now work on the spiral knot by adding two lark's head knots on each side using 205 centimeter cord. When folding each cord, remember to keep the outer cords longer than the inner ones. I'm done with the right side. The length of the spiral knot is about 10 inches or 25 centimeter long. Spiral knots on both sides are done. Now I'm going to attach them to make a 3D outline effect on our V-shaped double half hitch knots. To attach them, I'm gonna tie another spiral knot about 5 centimeter long using the longest cord left on each side. I will trim the ends starting at the middle, measuring 5 inches or about 12 centimeter from the end of the spiral knot, and continue trimming the other cords. Now I'm going to brush all cords to make a soft finish. Okay, after brushing, I decided to trim the ends some more to add some shape. You can trim the ends however you like it for your project. I'm now going to make the flower for the centerpiece by making 5 petals. I cut 6 1 mm twisted cord in dark purple. They're about 40 centimeter long each. I made 9 square knots in diamond shape. I will finish the petal by making double half hitch knot on each side and gather each cord. I lock the middle by making a square knot. I will now make a centerpiece to make it look like a flower. I will attach the flower at the bottom edge of the heart hoop. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please show some love by clicking the like button, share, and subscribe. It would be nice to share new tutorials with you every week.